It's time to talk about push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise to do in any routine or circuit. With a wide range of variations and modifications, anyone can do push-ups. Let's start with the on-knees modification. We're dealing with young kids here, so most of them will not have the arm strength yet to be able to do a full push-up. To do push-ups on the knees, you want to make sure that the knees are on the ground and that their backs are flat. You want to be able to draw a straight line all the way from their knees up to their head. As they go down, you want them to bend their arms and go down and maintain this form, and then come back up with the same form. Don't want to jerk through it or go too fast through it. The standard form of the push-up is feet and hands on the ground. You want to maintain that straight line like we talked about with the knees and the hands. You want to be able to draw a straight line all the way from the ankles to the head. This is a challenging exercise for kids. Encourage them to keep trying and keep pushing themselves to get better at it. Set a timer for 30 seconds and see how many they can do in that time period. Go ahead and repeat this before you repeat the circuit. This is our first exercise in the fourth circuit. If you missed the kickbacks, watch this video here to go watch that. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. Thank you so much, and good luck!